Hello and welcome. I am Otis Landerholm, the founding attorney here of Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. And I am greatly happy. I am happy to let you know that this month, which is September of 2018, we are going to have another one of our monthly seminars. And this month, our monthly seminar topic is on what to expect and what to know about your NTA. All right, I want you to be able to understand your NTA, which stands for your notice to appear. Remember, if you're in immigration court, all right, the only way that the government can start removal proceedings against you is if they file this document that's called a notice to appear to the immigration court, and they serve you. They give you a copy of it. All right. Those things happen, and now, wow, you're in immigration court, and we've got to come up with a game plan. And often the first step of a removal case is to study very carefully that document, because it's got charges on it and it's got allegations on it, and we've got to make sure that you're comfortable with everything that's on that document so that you know how to really explain to the judge what your strategy is. You don't want to concede, you don't want to accept the allegations and the charges that are against you if they're in any way false, all right? And we'll be going over that in much more detail, and yes, there are many mistakes that are made on those charging documents. And so I really would love it if you're in immigration court, or if you know somebody who's in immigration court, please tune in yourself or have that person tune in. And we're live in the office. We're also live on Facebook. So just tune into Facebook. I'd love to have you there, understanding your NTA, and watch for the notice and the calendar invite and all that stuff. And check us out here on Facebook. And thank you so much. I'm Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration A.P.C. We fight for your American dream. Thank you.